Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can disable new mention and tag notification on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and then I'm going to show you how we can disable a notification from TikTok. Okay, we're gonna go to the TikTok setting to change the notification setting. We can go to our profile first and then we can click on these three lines on the top right, and we're going to go to the settings and privacy. All right, here you need to go to the notification setting. Okay, tap on this menu, and here guys you can customize what kind of notifications from TikTok you want to receive, and what kind of what kind of notification from TikTok that you don't want to receive. And then since we want to disable the new mention and tag notification, so we're going to click on the circle button and turn off the mentions and tags notification. Okay, if you want to change the notification setting, just go here. You can either choose you want to disable the likes notification or not, or comments, or notification from new followers, or maybe repost, or posts you interacted with. It's up to you. And here you will be able to customize the other notification, such as live notification. Okay, you can customize it as you like guys. And for me, I'm just going to turn off the new followers notification, and also maybe this one. All right, and likes, comments are not important, so I'm going to turn it off. And okay, that's enough. Okay, then you will be able to activate push notification schedule. It's up to you guys. You can customize it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to disable new mention and tag notification on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.